In Canada, a couple's love story took a strange turn when the husband adamantly opposed his wife's whimsical desire to keep penguins at home. She envisioned a world filled with clumsy waddles, while he simply couldn't bear the thought of icy birds roaming their living room. Meanwhile, across the ocean in Scotland, a man's marriage crumbled over an equally absurd issue: his wife's unusual habit of using the fridge as a makeshift toilet. The final straw was when a movie debate spiraled into chaos, centered on whether pickles are best enjoyed with lemon or vinegar. This seemingly trivial discussion ended not only with raised voices, but also with a divorce announcement. Such bizarre tales remind us that sometimes love can unravel over the most unexpected and trivial matters.